Hi everyone. Where touring becomes detouring, and everything is a road. 2023 Harley-Davidson Pan-America. The Harley-Davidson Pan-America 1250 model is a rugged, powerful, technologically advanced multi-purpose motorcycle designed for riders ready to embrace real-life adventure. The riding experience is refined, capable and intuitive, on a motorcycle that stays composed and confident wherever your adventure takes you. Choose your own adventure. The 5.6-gallon fuel tank will take you farther. Make roads less traveled your mission. Pan-America 1250 motorcycle is a two-wheel multi-tool built to endure, designed to explore, and engineered for adventure. (2023) Harley-Davidson Pan-America Special. The Pan-America motorcycle is Harley-Davidson's explore-it-all machine for riders who see touring as detouring, on road and off. This rugged, powerful, technologically advanced multi-purpose vehicle is designed from the ground up to be capable, confidence-inspiring, and fun wherever the road may take you. The Pan-America 1250 Special model is a premium adventure touring motorcycle loaded with exclusive features. Some of those options include electronically adjustable semi-active front and rear suspension and an industry-first innovation, adaptive ride height, a suspension system which automatically transitions between a low stopped position and optimal ride height when the motorcycle is in motion. Engineered for adventure. For wherever the road takes you. Command the journey with customizable ride modes. The Pan-America 1250 Special motorcycle is our premier two-wheel multi-tool built to endure, designed to explore, and engineered for adventure. Thanks for watching.